Hello, I'm Andrew Pearce, Business Development Director for Worsley Plant. We're here at near Melton Mowbray, Leicestershire, and we're here with Duffin Builders, who have purchased a brand new BF60 from us. Basically, Patrick rung us up. He purchased a used BF60 off us 5 years ago now, and he'd had his money's worth out of it. Never spent a penny in maintenance, and he was decided he wanted to upgrade it to a brand new one. So here we are now with his brand new unit. At Worsley Plant we do a range of crusher buckets just like this one. We do them from 6-ton machines right up to 60-ton machines and anything in between. We've got your basically 13-ton, 20-ton, your most popular machines. We've got a crusher bucket that works on those. As you see here, this is on an Hitachi 130 and it's doing a grand job. As regards to the actual build of them, they're hard ox material, they're built to last, and they're very, very robust pieces of kit. You'll get a long, long lifetime out of them, and wear parts, it's just the jaws that wear the same as a big crusher. Similar technology, swing jaw, fixed jaw, and eccentric shaft in the middle, exactly the same as a big crusher. But the difference with these, they don't block up. If they do block up, then you just tip your bucket out, tramp material falls out, you're good to go again, so the productivity just keeps flowing. As regards to the aggregate size what you want to make, these will go from 120mm, which is your biggest, right down to 20mm, which is the smallest particle size, and anything in between. So your 6F2, Type 1, all that, these will make no problem at all. As regards to adjusting the size, you're looking at roughly about 15 minutes to change the size from Type 1 to 6F2, vice versa, and you can make all your aggregates very easily.